Hey everyone, and a massive, happy welcome back. So great to see you joining me today. Seriously, before we dive into this delicious topic, I just want to take a quick moment to send you all the biggest, warmest wishes. Wherever you are right now, whatever your day holds, I truly hope you're feeling strong, energized, and taking amazing care of your incredible body. Health is everything, nurture it, cherish it, and let's keep making choices that help us all thrive. Okay, get ready, because today we're talking about a food that's probably sitting in your pantry right now, maybe even just as a decoration. Alright, hands up if when you hear the word pumpkin, you immediately think of three things: Halloween jack-o'-lanterns, Thanksgiving pie, and maybe a Starbucks latte? Pauses, smiles knowingly. Yeah, me too for a long time. It's this giant orange symbol of fall fun and sweet treats. But what if I told you that pumpkin, the actual flesh inside that tough shell, is hiding a massive secret? What if I said it's not just festive, but it's secretly one of the most nutritious, health-packed foods you could possibly eat, hiding in plain sight all this time? Seriously, beyond the carvings and the sugary pies, pumpkin is a genuine nutritional superhero, loaded with stuff your body absolutely craves. So, forget the decorations for a second. Let's crack open that pumpkin, figuratively, and discover why this humble gourd deserves a starring role on your plate all year round, not just when the leaves change color. Get ready to see pumpkin in a whole new, super healthy light. Let's start with the most obvious thing, that gorgeous, vibrant orange color. That color isn't just for show, it's pure nutritional gold. That deep orange hue comes from something incredible called beta-carotene. Think of beta-carotene as this awesome plant pigment that your body is brilliant at converting into vitamin A. And vitamin A? Oh boy, it's absolutely essential. It's like the VIP security guard for your eyes, especially for your night vision. Ever struggle to see clearly when it gets dark? Vitamin A is crucial for that. But it doesn't stop there. Vitamin A is also a superstar defender for your immune system. It helps keep the lining of your nose, throat, and gut, basically your first line of defense against germs, strong and healthy. Plus, it's vital for healthy skin, helping with cell growth and repair. Pumpkin is absolutely bursting with beta-carotene. In fact, just 1 cup of cooked pumpkin gives you way more than your entire daily need for vitamin A. So, eating pumpkin is like giving your eyes, your immune system, and your skin a massive, powerful boost, all thanks to that beautiful orange color. But wait, there's so much more packed inside. Pumpkin is also a fantastic source of vitamin C. You know vitamin C, right? The classic immune booster. It helps your body fight off infections and acts as a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants are like your body's cleanup crew. They go around mopping up harmful molecules called free radicals that can damage your cells over time and contribute to aging and various health problems. So, vitamin C in pumpkin works alongside the vitamin A you get from beta-carotene, creating a double punch for keeping your immune system strong and protecting your cells. Pumpkin also delivers a good dose of vitamin E, another important antioxidant that's particularly great for skin health. And let's not forget potassium. This mineral is a quiet hero. It's crucial for helping your muscles work properly, including your heart muscle, regulating your blood pressure, and balancing fluids in your body. Most people don't get enough potassium, and pumpkin is a delicious way to help boost your intake. Plus, it throws in smaller amounts of B vitamins, like folate, important for energy and cell building, vitamin K, for blood clotting and bone health, and minerals like iron and magnesium. Seriously, that cup of pumpkin is like a mini multivitamin powerhouse. Now, let's talk about something absolutely crucial for feeling good and staying healthy long-term: fiber. Pumpkin is an excellent source of dietary fiber, especially soluble fiber. Why should you care about fiber? Well, first and foremost, fiber is your gut's best friend. It adds bulk to your stool, helping things move smoothly through your digestive system and preventing constipation. Think of it like a gentle broom sweeping everything along. But soluble fiber does something else really cool: it acts like a sponge in your gut. It absorbs water and forms a kind of gel. This gel helps slow down digestion, which has two massive benefits. First, it helps you feel fuller for longer. After eating pumpkin, you're less likely to get those intense hunger pangs an hour later. This makes it a fantastic ally if you're trying to manage your weight. It helps control your appetite naturally. Second, that slowing down effect is amazing for your blood sugar levels. When digestion slows, the sugars from your food enter your bloodstream more gradually. This prevents those big spikes and crashes in blood sugar that leave you feeling tired, cranky, and craving sugary snacks. For people managing diabetes or prediabetes, or even just anyone wanting stable energy throughout the day, pumpkin's fiber content is a huge win. It helps keep your energy level steady and your mood more balanced. Remember those antioxidants we mentioned with vitamin C? Pumpkin is absolutely loaded with them beyond just vitamins. It's packed with other powerful plant compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin. These two are superstars specifically for your eye health. They accumulate in the retina, the light-sensitive part at the back of your eye, and act like natural sunglasses, filtering out harmful high-energy blue light. They're strongly linked to a lower risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, which is a leading cause of vision loss. So, eating pumpkin isn't just good for your vision in the dark. Thanks to vitamin A, it's also helping protect your eyesight for the long haul. Pumpkin also contains other antioxidants like alpha-carotene and beta-cryptoxanthin, which continue that overall cell-protecting, anti-inflammatory work throughout your body. Chronic inflammation is linked to all sorts of health issues, so foods like pumpkin that help fight it are incredibly valuable. Here's the best part, pumpkin is incredibly low in calories and low in fat. That cup of cooked, mashed pumpkin? It's only about 50 calories. And virtually no fat, unless you add it. This makes it an absolute dream food if you're watching your weight or just trying to eat lighter. You get all that incredible nutrition, the vitamins, the minerals, the fiber, the antioxidants, for a very low calorie cost. You can eat a satisfying amount without blowing your daily calorie budget. This is why pumpkin is such a popular ingredient in healthy recipes. It adds creaminess, bulk, and sweetness without adding a ton of calories or unhealthy fats. Think pumpkin puree in oatmeal, soups, smoothies, or even baked goods. It lets you create satisfying dishes that are actually good for you. Now, we have to address the elephant in the room, canned pumpkin versus fresh pumpkin. Both are great options. Using fresh pumpkin is wonderful if you have the time. Simply cut it, scoop out the seeds and stringy bits, roast or boil it until tender, and then mash or puree it. But let's be real, that takes effort. Canned pumpkin puree is a fantastic, convenient alternative. Crucially, make sure you're buying 100% pure pumpkin puree. Check the ingredient list, it should say just pumpkin, or sometimes squash, which is very similar nutritionally. Avoid the cans labeled pumpkin pie filling at all costs. That stuff is premixed with sugar, syrups, spices, and other additives. You want the pure, plain stuff. The great news is that canned pure pumpkin puree retains most of the fantastic nutritional benefits of fresh pumpkin. It's still packed with beta-carotene, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The canning process might cause a very slight loss of some vitamins, like vitamin C, but it's still a powerhouse. So, don't feel guilty about reaching for the can, it's a healthy and super practical choice. And let's not forget about the seeds. Those slimy bits you scoop out and often throw away? Stop. Pumpkin seeds, also called pepitas, are a nutritional treasure trove all by themselves. Once you rinse them off, dry them, you can roast them too, you've got an amazing snack. They are incredibly rich in magnesium, a mineral most people don't get enough of that's vital for muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, blood pressure regulation, and making protein and bone. They're also a great source of zinc, which is crucial for immune function, wound healing, and cell growth. Plus, pumpkin seeds are packed with healthy fats, including omega-3s in a plant form, protein, and even more fiber. They also contain antioxidants and compounds that might be good for prostate and bladder health. So, next time you carve a pumpkin or cook a fresh one, save those seeds. Toss them with a tiny bit of olive oil and salt, or your favorite spices like paprika or cumin. Roast them until golden and crunchy, and you've got a delicious, super healthy snack or salad topper. So, pulling it all together, is pumpkin good for you? Absolutely, resoundingly yes. It's not just good, it's exceptionally good. It's a nutritional all-rounder, championing your vision with vitamin A and lutein, supercharging your immune system with vitamins A and C, protecting your cells with powerful antioxidants, keeping your digestion smooth and your hunger at bay with loads of fiber, supporting your heart and muscles with potassium, and doing it all for very few calories. It's versatile, sweet or savory, fresh or canned, flesh or seeds. It's proof that sometimes the most powerful health foods aren't exotic superfruits, but humble ingredients we've had around forever. So, step beyond the pie and the latte. Blend pumpkin puree into your morning smoothie for creaminess and nutrients. Stir it into oatmeal or yogurt. Make a hearty, creamy pumpkin soup, use veggie broth, onions, garlic, maybe a dash of coconut milk. Add chunks of roasted pumpkin to salads, grain bowls, or curries. Bake it into healthy muffins or breads, using whole grains and minimal sugar. Toss those roasted seeds on everything. Embrace pumpkin as the year-round nutritional powerhouse it truly is. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Go enjoy some pumpkin power, nourish that amazing body, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay vibrantly healthy.